Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide Bluetooth in menu bar on MacBook. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. To hide the Bluetooth icon in the Mac OS menu bar, you need to adjust the control settings. And as you can see in here, we still can see the Bluetooth icon in here, and now we want to remove this Bluetooth icon from the menu bar. So you can just open your system preferences on your MacBook. You can go to Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth, and you'll find there is an option show Bluetooth in menu bar. You can just remove the tick on here. So now we can see on the menu bar there's no more Bluetooth icon on that. It's very simple, right? So that is how to hide Bluetooth on your menu bar on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.